Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok text-to-speech not working. If the text-to-speech feature is not working on TikTok, you can try the following troubleshooting steps. First, update your TikTok, go to the Play Store, and in the top there's a search bar. Tap there and look out for the TikTok and open it. And simply tap on the update option we could see there. And ensure that you're using the latest version of the TikTok app. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and check for the updates and install any available updates for the TikTok. Or you could also try restarting your TikTok, close the TikTok app completely and then reopen it after you open it, and this can sometimes resolve temporary issues within the app as well. And if you're using an Android device, what I prefer to do is go back, press the TikTok app like this, go to the app information, select storage and cache, and in the bottom there's a clear storage option or clear cache, so clear the cache, and this can sometimes fix the issue as well. Or you could also try uninstalling the app from here or from the Play Store as well and simply reinstall it back again, and this can fix any corrupted files or settings causing the issue as well. Or sometimes TikTok releases updates that specifically addresses bugs or the issue within the app's feature. Check the App Store for any updates related to the text-to-speech feature. And if none of these steps resolve the issue, there may be a more specific problem with the app or your device. You may need to contact TikTok support for further assistance. And this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.